Okay, we're going into the greenhouse. Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Good.
What are we up to today?
Everything over here is suffering, so I want to go through and pull out the tomatoes that are still on there. There's a few that are, decent size. They're still green. And here's one right here. There's quite a few in here, believe it or not.
Yeah, they don't look too bad. I mean, some of the ones,
Yeah.
but we had that 29-degree freeze and
Pretty much got everything.
yeah.
Got all these plants that love the heat. But when I came in here, it was 85 degrees. Now it's 76 because I got both doors open. So, but I bought these heirloom cabbage last week when I was at the feed store. So I thought I'd get these in the ground real fast.
Okay.
Just because.
And where are they gonna go?
They're just gonna go right here where I had the tomato plants. I took them out, and here's the tomatoes that I got from them. Just a few.
Oh yeah. Okay. So we got something out of them.
Yeah, we got something. Not a lot. Nothing to write home to mother about. So I'm just gonna throw in some worm castings, and I'll work that into the soil. I should probably be wearing gloves, huh? But that's okay. I don't care. Hi, Roxy. I got Roxy helping me.
Yeah, I see her.
She loves being in the greenhouse. I think she's waiting for me to throw a tomato
Oh, so she can go get it.
so she can go chase it. But I sort of fluffed up the soil.
Okay. Yeah, it looks all corrugated up, ready to roll.
Yeah.
So on another note, did you figure out what kind of stuff we're going to use for our new adventure with the hickory?
So everything I've read about shows to use vermiculite
Yeah.
as a growing medium. So we've got to get some of that soon.
But what was that stuff you said the other night that you think you might be just as good?
Oh, coconut coir. In fact, I'm glad you mentioned that because I bought some and it should be here. It is here. It's in my car. I picked it up
Okay.
in front of the barn. It got delivered today. So we can start some of those hickory nuts that we got out at Kay's place.
Yeah. Yeah, we've got about 50 or so, and we're going to try to get as many trees as possible and plant them next to our pecans and start growing hickories too.
Why not? We've got the land. We could do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have got these in the ground a couple of days ago. They're looking a little sad, but they'll perk up. Give them some good water, some worm castings. Life will be good for them.
Yeah, but 85 was a good temperature today. That was really good in here.
Yeah, it was 81 degrees when I was coming home from work. But do we have a cold spell coming on?
Yeah, we do. We got lots of rain and some cold weather coming.
Okay. So we have a kohlrabi behind you that's getting pretty big. Let me show that to you.
Let's check them out.
Okay. So if you look down here, look at that beast.
Yeah.
Isn't that nice looking?
How much longer till he's ready to eat?
I think when we get back from our little mini vacation,
Okay.
we'll pull it off. It could probably get a little bit bigger.
Okay.
So we'll just wait. And you pretty much cook them up and mash them up like a mashed potato.
All right.
Never had one before, so it'll be a new adventure for us.
Yeah, we'll try it out.
Yeah, and look at this. Look at the crepe myrtles. They're growing.
Yeah, some of them are starting to go.
Cuttings that you did. Here's another one over here.
We got about what?
Another
30
one
or
over
40
here.
that we germinated, and
Well, that we propagated, and we'll see how many.
we'll see how
of
they
them.
go. But these guys are going.
They're going. There's a few more down here too.
Yeah, there's one here. Look at this guy here.
Yeah, look at that guy. A couple more down is another one.
Yeah.
There's one right here.
So crepe myrtles do not grow from seeds. You have to do it yourself.
Yeah, that's cool. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take these tomatoes off too, because they're not gonna grow anymore.
Okay.
They're done. And I'll pull all these plants out. I'll have to plant something in there.
All right. What do we got going over here?
This is all of my onion sets that I planted. This right here, this is your mom's favorite jalapenos. I don't know what that one is over there. I don't think it's a jalapeno because there's one laying on the ground. It looks like it's really big. But
yeah, okay.
I don't know if they're gonna be able to survive, but I pulled enough pepper plants out of the ground and potted them up to overwinter them, so we'll probably be okay as far as having an abundance of peppers next year.
Okay. So what do we got right here next to what you just planted?
That's a really good question. I believe I was just planting seeds because I was frustrated because all the seeds I had planted before, none of them germinated, and I think they might have been old seed packs. So I just grabbed seeds and I just put the whole seed packet down. So I think this right here is probably, I'm gonna guess, carrots. This might be a broccoli or cauliflower, maybe even a cabbage, but I'll definitely have to thin all these out in another week or so.
It looks like we got something coming up here too.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, you don't.
Maybe it's spinach.
Oh, look, all the way down. They're just starting to pop up.
They're popping up.
Yeah,
so
they are.
I think what happened was I was a little antsy, and it was still too warm in here for these fall-like plants to germinate. And when the weather cooled down, everything started to sprout. So I'm happy.
Okay, we want to say anything about these guys over here, or?
Well, let me show you my garlic. So I have different varieties of garlic.
Garlic is going real good.
It is, but these garlics just popped up this last week. And I planted these probably 2 months ago. And I planted these about 3 weeks ago.
So different species then, huh?
A different species, a different brand. So in my infinite wisdom, I just buried the label, and we can see how well that worked for me. It might be elephant garlic. I don't know. But okay, so I don't have my glasses on, but garlic bottle soft necks. So anyways, I put my tags in here because I really didn't have nothing else to put in. I've got to come up with a good tag system because every tag I put in, the writing just fades. So if you guys have a good idea, something that works, please let me know. Short of just drawing a map of what I put in here and labeling everything, that may be something I'd have to revert to. Yeah, but my mint in here is doing really good. Right down in here, this is mint, and we love mint in our teas.
Okay, yeah, we got the mint. Let's going back this way.
Yeah, again, I don't know what got planted down in here. I was just throwing seeds. Most of it's probably lettuce. I'm gonna guess that. I had a lot of lettuce seeds. This is snap peas. I got stragglers out there. I'll probably.
Oh, okay, okay.
But mostly in between the lettuce here is more lettuce seed because we like our salads. And I've got these carrots that popped up early on because they were probably the only good seeds in the pack. But I sprinkled some more carrot seeds in here, and they're starting to pop up.
All right.
So it's going good.
Yeah, looks like it is. The greenhouse looks really nice.
Thank you. So I'm just going to put a little bit more worm casting around these plants, and then I'm going to give them a quick water so that they can get bedded down for the night. So we should have some good cabbage. What's your favorite way to have cabbage, dear?
You know, I don't have a favorite. Any way you cook it, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, that fried cabbage we had the other night was
That was wonderful.
Yeah, we'll have to do that again. Hopefully these will perk up in the next day or two. I wish they would give us labels that come with the seeds. You know, a label that's worthy, like what you find in your 6 packs of plants that you buy.
Yeah.
That would be nice. So, let's see. Hopefully these will perk up in the next day or two. I wish they would give us labels that come with the seeds. You know, a label that's worthy, like what you find in your 6 packs of plants that you buy. That would be nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
waiting, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it right now. I'll wait for you. Go on, it's right there. Go on. We appreciate you supporting our channel. We have lots of ideas. We do lots of things around here, so I think the worst of 2021 is over for us. It was a pretty rough year, and we're excited to start the new year. We're going to build another greenhouse, very similar to this one, but we're going to do most of the pole bending ourselves. So watch for that video to come up.
Yeah. And then we got one coming out about the expansion of the chicken coop.
Yeah, that one's going to come out.
Yeah, that's going to be a nice one. That's we really gave them chickens a lot of room.
We did. And we'll do another video on composting. How we compost. Struggles that we have composting. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for stopping by and visiting. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so that you're reminded when we do post a video, and leave comments below if you have any questions. Thanks.